Well, you may have heard the story of the outlaw Texas Red and the Arizona Ranger came to town and shouting dead. Now I may not be an outlaw, but there is one thing I know, that Arizona Ranger will reap just what he sowed. See, Red may have been an outlaw, but he had a heart of gold. Just had to do some shady dealings to keep food up on the stove. 20 men that tried to take him, but his draw was far too quick, till 21 shot my brother with a big iron on his head. Red had not cleared leather when a bullet fairly ripped, but the count was only 2 when the Ranger turned his head. Now I'm riding to Arizona to put that Ranger in his grave, for a man that lacks in honor will always get back what he gave. Well, I don't like to cheat, but today I turned on one, and justice was delivered from the barrel of my gun. He might have gone on living, but he made a fatal slip, and I'm walking back to Agua Fria with his big iron on my head.